Let's write the first 5 terms of this sequence given by 1 plus 1 over n. So we'll do so by replacing n consecutively with 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So let's start here with 1. So when n equals 1, here's what we're going to get. A sub 1, right, because n is 1, so go back to the formula. Everywhere you see an n, replace it with a 1. So I have 1 here. That's the first term is 1 plus 1 over 1. So what do we get here? This will give us 1 plus 1. We end up with 2. All right, so a sub 1 is 2. So the first term in this sequence is 2. So let's go to the second term. So n is equal to 2. So back up to the formula, replace all the n's up here with a 2. So we'll get a sub 2 equals 1 plus 1 over 2. You know, this is 1.5. I'm not going to write it like that. Instead of a mixed number like this, let's write it as an improper fraction. So what do we get here? 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. So we get 3 halves. All right, so a sub 2 is 3 halves. So on to n equals 3. Let's take this 3, put it here, and put it here. So this will give us that a sub 3, the third term, is 1 plus 1 over 3. All right, now that's 1 1/3. Make that an improper fraction. So 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4, so we get 4/3. All right, that's a sub 3. Let's go on to n equals 4. Maybe you can see a pattern here where we wouldn't have to make all the computations. What is a sub 4? Well, that's going to be 1 plus 1 over 4. Now this is 1 1/4, so look what happens. Now, improper fraction, 4 times 1 is 4, plus 1 is 5. So this becomes 5 over 4. Now I'm going to get a sub 5, but I'm going to get a sub 5 just by writing it because I'm noticing a pattern here. Take a look back at, say, down here on the left, n equals 2. Look at this denominator. The denominator matches the term number. Go to 3. Denominator matches the term number. Go to 4. Denominator matches the term number. So I'm getting an idea of what I should put here. I think that denominator is going to match the term number. Now what about the numerator? Go back to 2, down here. Well, in this case, the numerator is 1 more than the denominator, right? Top is 1 more than the bottom. Go to 3. The top, 1 more than the bottom. Go to 4. Top is 1 more than the bottom. I think that's going to carry on. Top is 1 more than the bottom, so I think that should do it. Now, that's just what I think. You might actually want to compute that out just to be sure. But here's the first 5 terms. Starts here at 2, goes to 3 halves, goes to 4/3, goes to 5/4, then goes to 6/5.